Everyone, Forest Spinner back here, just making a YouTube video today to put a Sharp air conditioner back together. And it's not physically Sharp, some parts are Sharp, but the company's Sharp. It's by Sharp. So right now, it had a trouble scraping, so what we're doing now is we're trimming it down to make it like fit back on. And so yeah, it'll just fit back on hopefully and like just work, hopefully. And the thing is, ACs are just like weird. So, all right, ready, set, and so what we're doing is we're putting this AC back together, and we're gonna run a little test. I took it apart today. This is all cleaned. It used to be dusty and nasty before. And sorry if you hear other people talking. There's one other person doing a YouTube video. Yeah. So anyway, not on that. So what we're gonna do, screwdriver, is a little gap down there. In. And we gotta try to put that under. Alright. So, alright, magic of editing. I'm gonna snap and this will be plugged in. Alright, so it's plugged in. We're gonna press power on. I'm just trying to take this blowing all kinds of crap at me. Yeah, it's working. What happens with this is this blows out. And you guys saw the video of my Fetters air conditioner. That's coming out today. This is going in. It's not really, doesn't really have much life left in it. Funny thing is this is way older. And leave a comment down below if you have the same air conditioner, because I'd love to hear about that too. And it looks perfect. You can't ever say perfect, but according to me, it's perfect. It looks fantastic. Yeah, see that? Alright.
That's actually pretty good. That means I did a great job with that one. I hope I pulled another wire out. And let me see the spring thing, because that's important. Okay. So that's good.
This is a Freon tank. This is a compressor. This is what do you call? Well, this is like the condenser right here. This helps, just like it makes the cooler air with the copper. Copper. And you just stop it like that. Cleaned all these curls. I don't know. Some people say like cleaned all these coils today, and it's working good. So as we're going to continue, we're going to keep putting this AC together. Alright. I hope everyone enjoyed this brief little video of trimming and how to do it. Hope you all enjoyed this. Probably be another video of installing the air conditioner. Have a good day. Bye-bye.